Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to fix WhatsApp storage full issues on iPhone. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open WhatsApp. Tap Settings. Tap Storage and tap Manage Storage. Now try to clear out all data for here. After removing the large file from here, try out the next process solution to delete cell unnecessary files on the iPhone. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap on General and tap on iPhone Storage. After that, delete some usage apps or delete some unnecessary files from the photo gallery and make sure you have free app up enough space. After that, check the issues whether it's solved or not. If not, then try our next solution. Solution 3. Remove recently deleted trash. Open Photos. Delete unused pictures and photos. After that, tap Album. Scroll down. Tap Recently Deleted. Delete all the files from here. Now open WhatsApp. Tap on Settings. After that, tap on Storage Data, and under the Media Auto Download section, tap on all options one by one and make it using Wi-Fi or cellular data and check whether your problem is solved or not. Lastly, offload the WhatsApp app. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap on General. Now tap on iPhone Storage. Tap on WhatsApp. Tap on the Offload the App button and tap Offload again. Now reinstall the app and check whether your problem is fixed or not. So this is how you can solve the WhatsApp storage full issue on your iPhone. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.